And there can't be many spots more dangerous than the slopes of an active volcano. Sure, it's warm, but you've got to look out for all those flying chunks of molten rock. Well, there's no snow on the island of Tanna in the tiny South Pacific country of Vanuatu, but that's where we find snowboarder Zoltan Istvan searching for the ultimate adventure.
Tanna, one of Vanuatu's most southern islands, has a spectacular active volcano. With nearly 1,000 vertical feet of ash and sand, Mount Yasur boasts a world-class slope. Just the ride through the highlands makes the trip worthwhile. Near the volcano, the jungle gives way to a barren ash plain. The land is a striking contrast of rich colors. You can drive a motorcycle right up to the base of Mount Yasur. One of the people from here tells me what to expect.
Right now the volcano is very active and it's very dangerous.
It's an unnerving walk up to the rim. Thousands of hardened lava rocks that have been launched out of the crater are scattered on the slopes. The crater is huge, nearly 1,000 yards around. The volcano has two main vents. Both of them shoot out lava bombs, though the left vent is mainly a smoker. Sometimes there's lightning in its billowing black cloud. Every few minutes I'm forced to back away from the edge. The rocks are like bullets, and they're known to go right through people.
Look at this. Oh my God.
In the darkness, the volcano becomes safer. The glowing bombs are easier to see, which means they're easier to avoid.
It was a close one.
The next day, I leave my bungalow and head back to Mount Yasur. It's a difficult hike up the steep ash slope. I'm not even sure yet if my idea will work. There's only one way to find out. My motorcycle looks as though it's miles away. Just as a large eruption starts, I push off. Moments later, I'm S-turning down the pumice. Behind me, I can feel the heat of thick smoke rising. Underneath me, the earth is shaking. After a short rest, it's time to head for the bottom. I push off again and glide down the ash slope. It's good to know that volcano boarding works, and it's even better that the mountain hasn't sent any lava bombs my way. On the way back to my bungalow, I stop and take a long look at Mount Yasur. It's a pretty exciting thing to do, but I'm not entirely sure that this sport will ever become really popular.
Well, the thrills continue next week in the Utah desert.